Little but mighty!
Hi everyone, I'm Miss H and I'm here today to talk about verbs that come after to. Now, you may have heard about the general rule that any verb that comes after to should be in base form or should be an infinitive verb. These two terms, base verb and infinitive verb, are essentially the same thing in that they do not come with an s, ed or ing ending. This form is also what you'll typically find as the main verb when looking up a verb in the dictionary. Here are some examples of base verbs, which are also known as infinitive verbs, that come after to. For the first infinitive verb, we have be. In a sentence, we can use it as she wants to be a scientist. The second infinitive verb is have. In a sentence, you can use it as they wish to have a dog. The next verb we are looking at is eat. In a sentence, we will use it as the children asked to eat ice cream. Last but not least, we have the infinitive verb sleep. In a sentence, you might say, I like to sleep. All the sentences above are grammatically correct. Does this mean that whenever you see the word to, you can confidently write a verb after it in base form? Not quite. Do note that there are some exceptions to this to plus base or infinitive verb rule. The exception lies in particular phrasal verbs in English that require us to use the ing verb form after to. Consider the following examples. I look forward to seeing you. I am accustomed to tying my shoelaces this way. Notice how the verbs after to are no longer in base or infinitive form? This is because of the nature of phrasal verbs like look forward to and accustomed to. These ing verb forms, which functions as a noun, are also called gerunds. The following is a non-exhaustive list of phrasal verbs with to, which should be followed by a gerund. The first phrasal verb is look forward to, which means to think about something that is going to happen. For instance, my family looks forward to traveling again soon. The next phrasal verb is accustomed to, which means to make yourself familiar or used to something. For instance, the children are accustomed to waking up early in the morning. The next phrasal verb is feel up to, which means to have the strength or energy to do or deal with something. For instance, after walking around for the whole day, I do not feel up to exercising. Here's another phrasal verb, get round or around to, which means to find time to do something. For instance, shall we get around to completing your homework? Last but not least, we have the phrasal verb take to, which means to begin to do something as a habit. For example, I have taken to flossing my teeth daily. The next time you see any of these phrases, remember that the to plus base or infinitive verb form rule does not apply to them. Can you think of any other exceptions? Do share them with us in the comments section. Till next time, take care! If you have been enjoying our content, don't forget to like and subscribe.